Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need vodka, orange juice, I'm using fresh, and grenadine. We're gonna separate it nice into the glass. 2 ounces of vodka, about 5 ounces of orange juice. I'm just gonna eyeball it. We're gonna mix this a little bit. And 3/4 of an ounce of grenadine. We're gonna pour it slowly. And we are ready to garnish. We're gonna garnish this with an orange slice and a cherry. And that's how you make the vodka sunrise. Alright, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more recipes.